they're only focusing on you, then that's just like throwing, right? So, oops. Yeah, yeah, and just having it open. Well, it's the same thing like you said earlier with like pushing a lock or whatever, like the battery. You're not you're not actually like committing to it. You're just opening it and then resetting, right? Yep, I'm rubber banding. Yeah, it's rubber banding, dude. It's been way worse on Victim, by the way. Oh, Johnny's in the basement. That's great. Fuck. Shit, I need to turn my... Johnny's in the basement, by the way. He's, by the cold room. Well, this is not good. Now we probably die here. Shit. Oh man, we need to get out the basement, yo. We really need to get out the basement, yo. Lol. Spin tech him, then choose fight him, then run to windmill, lol. I just stood there for a second because the Leland was going through the crack. And I have no cell, so he hit me and it did like no damage, right? It was like whatever. I can relax here for a second. Alright, we really need to get the fuck out of this basement though. Yo, I'm out, bro. Yo, I'm out.
It was very important. Point track, you know his doors.
Yeah, for them, they need to be watching that, right?
And Johnny will stay basement. Voice line through family focus. So lucky that Hitch wasn't in fan focus.
Shit.
The Leatherface rage quit because we have Slaughterhouse open.
Oh shit, he went the other way. Oh shit. Ooh, swing and a miss. Alright, just take him for the infinite. Hitchhiker's chasing me in the slaughterhouse, so I'm gonna infinite him here. Oh, yeah, Virginia, you're over here? Nice. Yeah, he's over here, He's just chasing me. I think he rage quit? Yep, he rage quit because of Johnny's selling, because Johnny stayed in the basement too long, probably. GG! Yeah, they rage quit. He saw two of us in slaughter, so he left. That's why? Well, and this is why I say victim's easy, which, okay, I get it. It's not as easy as, you know, maybe I was saying earlier, but like if you have a Johnny that does this, like the game's over, right? Like they just fucking leave, like you know what I mean? Like it's just stupid. Like he stayed in the basement way too. Well, he should have never even went. Well, he should have never went Johnny, right? Like he should have never played Johnny. So, you know what I mean? I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. I'm just saying, bro. I'm just saying. Like that's just, bruh. Like, like, bruh. Okay, I just need one more win on Julie. Oh, victims move slow? Oh yeah, the basement rush, yeah. Well, yeah, I could see if you're like basement rushing, like let's say one of you guys goes Leatherface, and then you go like Johnny and maybe Hitchhiker, or because the traps you can like trap the doors, or like you play like Johnny and Sissy with Leatherface, like what we did earlier, right? Like when you, me, and Key Steels were playing, like basically, or you could even have like Cook, Sissy, and Leatherface, and then Sissy and Leatherface basement, and then Cook just kind of like sits on the outside and pings and whatever. Oh, oops! I woke up Grandpa. Oops. God damn it, Wyatt, motherfucker, dude. My God, my Wyatt just got big swung on, and he's dead, and he's gone, and the cook's right there. Damn it, bro. Wait, where'd the cook go? Am I tripping? Where'd this cook go? Does cook not see me? No way, right? Just rush them in the basement, yeah. Yeah, well, I've done that a lot with my trios, and yeah, it usually works pretty good. You get 2 kills, and then you just use Johnny to like track the footsteps of like the people that are left, right? Is there a toolbox up here? Shit, I should have grabbed another tool. Fuck. Yeah, yeah, fuse is right here. Yeah. Is there a tool over here? Fuck, there's a chicken right there. There's a tool right here. Oh, there's a valve up here. I didn't even know that there was a valve up here. Oh, Cook is coming over here. Is it just me, or are these guys kind of clueless? Well, there's another valve right there. I didn't know that. Wait, there's a lot of valves over here. What the hell? I didn't know that. There's no fuse right here. Hopefully I keep this tool, but we can just open this for fun, I guess. I'm gonna get all this Cook's locks. I wonder where my teammates are. I should probably do my mic. There's 6 spawns for Valve. Okay, Leland's gonna go stab Grandpa. He stabbed Grandpa. Okay, I need to open one of these doors. I'm taking way too long doing this. This is so troll what I'm doing right now. Like, I am fucking playing this so bad right now. Wait, they have, oh, they're already in Slaughterhouse. Okay, I need to go open, facility. So the map starts getting bigger here. Oh. Okay, these guys are a little clueless. Oh shit, the Connie's right here. Oh my god, he heard me. Oh shoot, heard Connie, he heard me. Go, go, go. He heard me, go, go, go. He's going, he's going. Oh shit, oh shit. I moved just a second too long and he heard me. Fuck. Cook's in the facility with me. I can distract him over here for a little bit. I can latch this, right? Dude, this is so troll, latching the door. So fucking troll. This poor Cook, dude. Oh, I used my tool again. Oh shit, I don't have a tool. I gotta go grab one real quick. Alright, kick that gen, bro. Kick it. Go, go, go. Where's this Cook at? See, the Leland can barge him still too, huh? That's pretty strong. Okay, we got gen side open. He's coming. He's mad. He's mad. Val, honestly, this game's already over. You have left D. No need for it. This Cook is clueless. Wait, I can't look. I can't turn my head. Alright, we have a gen open. I don't know. I think one of them is coming over here now. They're slamming doors to come over here. Let's see, who are we missing? Oh wait. Oh, Wyatt died. Rip. Never mind. We're all good. GG. And she just left. He's gonna turn the generator back on. Oh, slam dunk on him. Dude, he gave him the slam dunk or Rooney, dude. And the T-Bat. Ah, shit, dude. Ah, shit. Okay, I'm out. He gave him the slam dunk, dude. Not likely coincidental. So. Go, go, go. Dude, I'm rubber banding so bad, holy shit. Oh, they do have oh, they have the OGs. They do have the OGs, bro. Quick hand, Sonny. Oh, shit. Huh? I was gonna go up. Actually, I should have went out. I was gonna go up, but then the Leatherface is right there. Honestly, having no cell is really nice, though. I feel like no cell is also one of like the best perks in the game. Like extra drip, no cell, bomb squad. All pretty good, right? Wait, Cook didn't put a lock on here. Oh shit. I got the front left door open of the house, and we got generator off. If this Leatherface was good, we'd be dead here, right? Wait, I don't think they know the generator's off. Huh? Huh? Oh, I got the battery? Nice. Damn, my team got the gen and the battery off. What the hell? Look at this Sunny. Sunny's just like running everywhere. Okay, this is kind of troll me doing this, so hopefully I don't die, but I'm probably going to. Every time I troll, I die. Yeah, why didn't the cook lock the front left door, by the way? Does this give me any points? Oh, it does give you points. It gives you 75 points? I didn't know that. Oh, the Leatherface is on the Sunny. What the hell is this Sunny doing, bro? Oh shit, he's running to the generator. Wait, no, he's going to the house. Like, he's going back to the house. Leatherface. The Leatherface is looking at me. Look at him. He DC'd. The cook is outside. What the hell? Oh, fuck, dude.